Okay, this is the phone. I'm going to change the LCD and change the frame, the housing, everything one set. Okay, this kind of thing to make it more faster for you. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to fix the LCD first on this frame and put it down so that the LCD, the glue become dry a bit before you'll be doing the open the phone and try to remove all the other things, and this will be like keep drying. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you have to apply the glue first on this one, the frame. Okay, you try to fix the LCD at once, okay, so that you don't waste that much time to do it. Okay, make sure everything is perfectly rest properly. Okay, then you apply the glue right around the phone. You have to be careful. Don't put on top of the speaker. Okay, don't put on top of the sensor. Just make sure you put the glue right around the phone. Okay, after you put the glue around the phone, okay, you remove this plastic. Now you fix the LCD first, so that you put it down so that LCD will be drying. Then you just open the phone. Okay, so remove this plastic. Do it slowly when you remove this plastic, so you be careful for the connector. Don't do it rush, just remove it slowly like this. Okay, then this connector, you need to pass it this side. Okay, you pass the connector this side. Okay, you put the LCD very straight, don't bend it, like this. Okay, then if you have the clip like this, you can just put it there for a few minutes. So you'll be doing the open the phone, try to remove the motherboard, other things to transfer this side. If you don't have this one, you can still use a rubber or sellotape, just so the LCD will rest properly. Okay, and leave it to dry. Okay, now you have to heat the phone for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have the heater, just put the hot water inside the pot and then make sure it's very hot. Then you put a cover on top, then just put the phone there like this so that the cover will become hot, and open it. If you don't have it also, you just leave it, just open it, because you are going to change the full housing. Okay, open it. Right, I already heat my own. When you heat it, make it more easier to open. Okay, be careful when you remove the back cover, because there's a fingerprint cable there. So you just open the cover halfway and just put it like this and try to take out the fingerprint cable. Okay, remove all the screw back of the phone, so many screws. Okay, after you remove all the screw back of the phone on this cover, put it one side. This one is the fingerprint cable. Okay, you put it one side. Okay, now you need to disconnect the battery. Okay, then you need to take out the battery, take out the motherboard, everything. Okay, remove the motherboard first. Disconnect the Wi-Fi cable. Disconnect the connector to the charging system. Okay, now you try to ease the motherboard up a bit, and you see how, if there's any other things you need to open, don't force to open, ease the motherboard up, just check first around. Okay, so now you remove the SIM tray. Put it one side. Okay, you try to take out this phone's camera, remove the screws. Disconnect the camera cable, front camera. Okay, remove all the screw here. Okay, they just watch it properly. Try to take out the motherboard. Do it slowly and see if there's anything on it. At least you don't spoil the phone. Because there are so many glues they put on this phone, so you make the motherboard a bit stuck from this side because the glue is there. Okay, you can see the glue from the side. Okay, remove the motherboard to one side. Okay, now you need to take out this one. You shake it, remove the screws here. Make sure any screws you remove, you know where you take it out from, and put them different places because some screws are very short. When you remove the screw, you try to ease it up a bit and see if it's shaky. At least you know that there's not that thing hold it. Don't force to remove it, do it slowly because there's a connector here also. See the glue, so many glue they put on it before. You put it one side like this. Put the screw close to it. Try to raise it up, just check because sometimes there is screw under, so you have to watch properly. You see there's one screw here also you need to take out. That's why when you open anything you have to take your time to raise the thing up. Don't force to raise it up. Okay, you take out this frame, put it close to the screw here. Try to remove the camera. After you remove the screw from this side, okay, you just push it like this from out. You pull it from out like this. Okay, slowly you remove the camera, put it one side. Okay, and now you remove this one also. You are going to put on the new frame, put it aside. Okay, then you take out the speaker. Don't rush to remove it so you don't spoil the speaker because there's glue on this phone. The person put glue on it before, so many glue. Take out the speaker, put it one side. After you remove the motherboard, everything with the camera, then I take out the battery. Okay, remove the battery, put one side. Okay, no need to remove this connector again because you have to fix on the new frame. Okay, then you lose the down here. You remove the charging system also. So many screws, make sure you take out all the screws. Take out the ringer. Remove the connector. Okay, then you remove the network cable also. Slowly, because so many glue here. Okay, you remove the ringer. You take out the charging system slowly. No need to remove the connector, leave it on the charging system. The motherboard has more glue on that. Just take out charging stand like this, put it one side. Okay, now you need to remove the vibrating. Just put the pencil this side, sharp one, and it's up the vibrating from down. Take it out slowly. Remove the connector. Okay. Put the vibrating one side. Okay. Now you need to remove the on and off volume key. So you have to take it out. So many glues they use on this one, so it make it more stuck. Try to remove this rubber, bring it up. Take out this one. Okay, put it one side. They try to remove the connector from inside. Very be careful when you remove the connector. Just open it like this first, slowly. Okay, remove the connector inside. The on and off volume key, put it one side. Okay, and now it's time to fix everything back. You take out. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you have to fix the on and off button. Make sure you push the button up a bit so I can put this volume key there. Just slide it inside there, exactly how you take it. Okay, already rest properly. You put back this rubber, you take out. Make sure the rubber is inside properly. Because if this rubber is not inside properly, the volume key might come out. So you have to make sure you put it inside very well. Okay, everything is working nice. Okay, you put back the speaker. Make sure you slide it in from the side here. Put it inside very nice like this. Okay, after you fix the volume key and the on and off button, you fix the front camera. Now you just put this metal first like this. Okay, then you pass the front camera there, pass the cable first. You hold the cable, pull it down. Okay, just put it inside like this. Okay, then you put back the screw you take out from this side. Put this cover first. Put back the screw you take out there. Okay. You fix this one also. This one push the front camera to go out. Okay. Put back the screw you take out from there. 2 screws. Okay. I put the screw also here. Okay. Make sure you place all the screw you take out from this one. Okay. many screws. Make sure you place all the screws. After you fix the front camera with the thing that pushing the front camera front, okay, now you fix the motherboard. Make sure this connector is up. Okay, you fix the on and off button and the volume key. Okay, then you fix the front camera cable. Okay, don't forget you put back this cover here to close the front camera cable. Okay, you put back the screw you take out from there. Okay, make sure everything is fixed very nice. Okay, and you fix the LCD cable. Remove this plastic. Okay, fix the connector first. Okay, you make way for the battery to rest properly. Okay, now you come to the charging system side. Okay, you put a bit glue to the vibrating inside here so the vibrating will not shake. Okay, and you fix the vibrating exactly how you take it. Okay, now you fix the charging system. Make sure you slide it in from this side. Okay, like this. Okay, you make sure you remove this plastic. Then you replace the connector. Okay, you make way for the battery to rest. Okay, okay, you fix the network cable now. Make sure the network cable is inside here. You go inside very nice, this side. Okay, you connect the cable very nice here. If you don't connect it very nice, the network will not become very weak. Make sure you connect it very nice. Okay, then make sure the cable is inside this side, very nice here. Side. Okay, now you put the ringer. Put the cover down here to close the ringer side. You place back the screw you take out from there. So many screws. Make sure you place all the screw down there. Okay, after I fix it down there, okay, you fix the battery. Okay, make sure you take out this plastic so the glue will hold the battery perfectly. Remove this one also. Okay, and you fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down so you don't lose the position. Okay, after you fix the battery, and before you fix the back cover, you have to fix the fingerprint cable first and the flashlight reflector. Okay, you put your finger here, just push the fingerprint like this, remove it. Okay, and remove the flashlight also. To the one side. Okay, now you need to put a bit glue this side so that the fingerprint will rest. Same goes to the flashlight here. Okay, fix the flashlight first, fix this one first. Okay, then you fix the fingerprint cable, fingerprints. Make sure you put it very straight, exactly how you take it from the other one, like this. Okay, now you fix the fingerprint cable here before you fix the cover. Okay. Fix the connector very nice before you close it. Make sure you have the right position before you press it down. Okay, then you put this back cover. And you apply all the screw you take out back from the phone. So many screws, make sure you put all the screw, don't leave any screw behind. Make sure you put all the screw. Okay, after you apply all the screw, now you need to apply some glue and you put the back cover. You just put the glue right around the phone, don't put on top the screw, just make sure you put it right around the phone like this. Okay, after I apply all the glue right around, okay, now you just put the back cover like this. Make sure you put it very straight, don't bend it. Okay, put it very straight like this. You put this cover at least for 30 minutes before you take it out, so the glue become dry. Put this side also. Okay, then on the phone from the side. Phone is on, the LCD is okay. Now the phone look new. Okay, that means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.